In this tutorial, I'll show you how to bend a torus by using a simple deform modifier. Please try stopping this video for a moment, and try to bend a torus by using a simple deform modifier to see if you can do this. What's going to happen if we add a simple deform modifier to this mesh? Bending won't work no matter what we try. What if we move the mesh away in edit mode? That's not going to work either. What if we use an empty object as its anchor? That's not going to work. Here is a new thing we can learn. The secret is to rotate the empty object 90 degrees on the x-axis. That's how easy it is. If we need to bend it on the y-axis, rotate the empty object on the y-axis first. But for some reason, this won't work on the z-axis. Please remember it's 90 degrees on x or y axes. I have learned we can create a very interesting shape if we were to rotate the mesh or the empty object after using this method. I'll show you what I mean. We can not only create this shape without having to use the proportional editing, but create a swirling mesh as well. In edit mode, let's move the mesh, and rotate it to see what will happen. This is the shape I was talking about. Please experiment with this bending method to find the best looking result. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.